Annoyed by that little icon on your Windows and desktop? Every time you click it, a web page pops up. Well, in this video, I'll show you how to remove it completely without turning off Windows Spotlight. Hi everyone, welcome back to the CNATT channel. Today, I'll show you a quick and easy way to get rid of that annoying layer about this picture icon on your desktop. Why this icon shows up? This icon appears only when your desktop background is set to Windows Spotlight, a built-in Windows feature. It shows you what the current background images and provides some extra details. But honestly, most people find it distracting. If you don't care about Spotlight, the easiest fix is to simply switch your background to picture instead of a Spotlight and the icon will disappear. But if you're like me and enjoy Spotlight wallpapers, there's an even better solution. So instead of giving up on Spotlight, let me show you a quick registry tweak that removes the icon but keeps the wallpapers intact. The registry method. All you need to do is add one small registry key. Don't worry, it's really simple. First, we need to open the registry editor. You can either press Windows logo key or type regedit and press enter, or simply open the start menu, type registry and click registry editor. Now navigate to this path. H key current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, CurrentVersion, Explorer, HideDesktopIcons, NewStartPanel. Inside the NewStartPanel key, right-click the empty space in the right pane, select New DWORD 32-bit value. Name it exactly like this. Don't worry, I put the value name in the video description so you can just copy and paste it. Double-click it, set the value to 1 and click OK. After that, just close the registry editor. Now refresh your desktop and boom, the icon is gone. Spotlight is still active but that annoying button has disappeared. If you ever want the icon back, just go to the same registry entry and either delete the value or set it to 0, then refresh your desktop and the icon will reappear. Alternative easy way. If you don't want to edit the registry yourself, I've included 2 ready-made registry files in the video description. Remove layer about this picture. This file removes the icon. Restore layer about this picture. This file brings the icon back. Important: always backup your registry before making any changes. Use these files at your own risk. They are safe if you follow the instructions, but it's always better to be cautious. If you're curious, you can right-click any of these reg files, choose Edit and view the content in Notepad to see exactly what changes it will make. How to use them? Download the zip file from the description, extract the 2 reg files, double-click the file you want to run, click Yes on the UAC prompt, click Yes again to confirm. Click OK on the success message, which confirms that the keys and values were added. After that, refresh your desktop and the icon will be removed or restored depending on which file you used. And that's it! You've successfully removed the layer about this picture icon while keeping Windows Spotlight. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who finds that icon just as annoying. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.